Look at this certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 11,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, air conditioning, passenger airbag and tire pressure monitor. Call 888-658-4271 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.